Today, I'm going to show you how to add currency to Revolut. This is a great way to save money on foreign exchange fees when you travel or shop online. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, currency exchange, and international payments. Revolut is available in over 30 countries and supports over 150 currencies. Adding currency to Revolut is easy and can be done in a few simple steps. Main content. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Step 2. Tap on the Cards tab. Step 3. Tap on the Add Currency button. Step 4. Select the currency you want to add. Step 5. Enter the amount of currency you want to add. Step 6. Choose your payment method. You can add currency to Revolut using your bank card, debit card, or credit card. You can also add currency using a bank transfer. Once you have added currency to Revolut, you can use it to make purchases in foreign currencies, send money to friends and family, invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies, get a travel card. Additional tips. You can add up to 10 currencies to your Revolut account. You can exchange currencies between your Revolut accounts for free. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates. You can use your Revolut card to withdraw cash from ATMs around the world. You can also use your Revolut card to pay for goods and services online and in stores. Adding currency to Revolut is a great way to save money on foreign exchange fees. It's easy to do and can be done in a few simple steps. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're not already using Revolut, I encourage you to sign up for an account today. Thanks for watching.